Welcome to the video guys, and in this video we will be learning about conditional statements in JavaScript. So what are conditional statements? This helps us to make decisions in JavaScript, and the code will be executed on the events of true or false. So first conditional statement is if statement. Like if how to write if statement in JavaScript, we will firstly write if, then we will give block and we will put our code inside this block. Second, if else, as if we will write if first, we will give block, we will write our code here, like whatever code we need to write, then block closed, and now we will write else, and then again we will give block and we will write code inside it. Else if ladder, this is used when there are multiple inputs, multiple options. So firstly we will write if, we will give block and we will write our code, then we will write if else if, then we will give our code inside this block, and then ultimately we will give else, and inside else we else if, okay, syntax was there else gives this else gives us default value, and this else if is used when we are having multiple options or input. And syntax will, as I said, for writing conditional statement, if we are taking example of if conditional statement, we have to write if, then we have to give that block and we will write code inside that block. Now real conditional example, like x divided by 2 is equal to 0, checks even number. If we need to check that if a given number is given number is even or not, then obviously we have that number must be divisible by 2, or must get divided by 2, and we will get 0 as a reminder. So this is modulus, and when a given number, for example 4, will give remainder 0 when we divide by 2, and this is how we check even number or odd number by using if or else basically giving conditional statement. Now this is very important operator, which was from operator topic, and this is the method or way to write if else conditional statement in a compact way. We will not go to this. So this is the syntax. As I said, syntax for if statement was if block, we will write code inside that block. So there is syntax for ternary operator as well, and that is we will write condition question mark, we will write true output this, and then we will give false output, and done. This is example of ternary operator, like we are assigning some variable value is equal to 25, let result adult, not adult, console dot result, and we will get the result. I am showing you theory right now. We will move to VS Code and we will understand every concept of this slide on VS Code practically. And lastly, this is the summary. We use if when there is just one condition, we use else if when there is multiple conditions, we use else for default case, and we use ternary operator as a compact way of writing if else statement. So we are done with the theory. We will move to VS Code and we will be understanding code practically there. So this was the operator thing. I have discussed this in the last video, but I forgot to show this on console. So I'll put it yeah, go live. We will double click inspect console. So we will compare this. What happened? We are done with this, so I'm removing this. We'll delete this. Okay, we'll go here. Okay, smaller. Okay, and this is the browser. I will put it. I'm a little confused. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, in between. So now see, I have written a. Let a is equal to 10v. When we are using operator addition, we are getting 15. Subtraction 5. Multiplication a into b 50. Division a divided by 2 2. And exponentiation it get we are getting yeah, remainder. And for exponentiation we are getting this. And now when we wrote a plus 10, the value was for a, the value was 10. 10 plus 10 20. And for this minus increment, now we for increment a plus plus we got this. So these are the values over here. Everything is executed. Now we will move to the practical part of conditional statements. So okay, logical operator, comparison operator. From here we have to focus now. So firstly, if statement. I have told you how to write if statement in that slide, through that slide. So we are taking a is equal to 18. If the person is above 18, then we will be writing you can vote. And as I said, we use if statement when there is only one condition. So I have also taken output of these things, so I will move this here. This is a bit hectic to move here and there. So yeah, see now for this line number 62, you can check it from here. Line number 62, we are writing console.log at 62, and the output is you can vote, because the age is equal to 18, and for voting criteria the age will be above or equal to 18. Now this is also same thing. Okay, now if else statement. So if the age is greater or equal to 18, you can vote, else you can't vote. Okay, so we have taken age is equal to 18 over here. We have, so when we will print you can vote. Okay, now we will check if the given number is odd or even. So let the number num is equal to 10. If, as I have also shown you in this slide, if the number gives 0 as reminder when it is divided by 2, then it is even, else it is odd. This is the logic behind checking odd or even. These are the basic thing you might know all these things, so just ignore. You can put the video on 2x when you know that you know this part already, so it will save your time. So if this number gives 0 as reminder, then print even, else give odd. So the number given here is 10, the output is even. Okay, now this is the example of checking if the assigned person is junior, senior or adult. So if the age is greater than 18, what is the adult? Okay, if this console.log junior, else if age is like 60 or like above 18 or greater than 60, sorry, if the age is below 18, it will give us junior. Else if we are checking multiple conditions here, sorry for the confusion in the beginning, I said it greater, so I'm correcting it in this video itself. This is like if the age is less than 18, it will print junior. Else if the age is greater than 16, it will print senior. Else the value will be adult. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दोनों कंडीशन में से कोई एक भी नहीं आता, देन अडल्ट प्रिंट हो जाएगा. अगर कोई लाइक नंबर दिया हुआ है 16 तो ये प्रिंट कर देगा जूनियर, और अगर नंबर दिया हुआ है 61 तो प्रिंट कर देगा सीनियर, और अगर नंबर दिया है 49, 23, एनीथिंग बिटवीन 18 और 16, it will print adult. So the main concept of this is that if the person is below 18, it will print junior. If the person is above 60, it will print senior. And if the person is lies between 18 to 60, then it will give adult as output. So the age was, have we taken assigned age anywhere? Have we? Okay, yeah, we have already assigned age over here as 18, so it is giving adult, because if the age was less than, if it was the assigned age here, if it was written as let age is equal to 17, then this will give output as junior. And if it is written as 61, then it will give output as senior. And as it is written here 18, let age is equal to 18, then obviously it will give output as adult. And you can also check it like all the things by like changing this data. And now the main thing is, you can, when you want to save time, and obviously technology is like developing so fast, and we need to like add on things which will keep our code short and simple, and it should not be much complex and time consuming to write our code. So here comes ternary operators, which will make our code very simple of if else statement. When we are writing if else statement, we can choose this syntax of ternary operator to make it simple and understandable. So let result if age is equal to or greater than 18, then what will be printed? Adult, not adult, console.log. The we have assigned here let age is equal to 18, so obviously this will print 18 because already the age is 18 as chosen by us. You can put 20 over there, like let's see if we change it to 23. Okay, and let's run this again. Double click, inspect, console, see. Now the things will be little different. Adult. Okay, it is still adult. If we choose some, but yeah, you can vote. Yeah, obviously, waiting, you can vote. If we choose this as where is the age? Yeah, if we make it 16, okay, and we run this, executing code, inspect, console, see, now the things are different. Then earlier it was giving you can vote because it was equal to 18. Now this is less than 18, so you can't vote. You can't vote. And over here, if the age is less than 18, the output will be junior, so here it is junior. And here, if the age is greater or equal to 18, then it will print adult, else it will print not adult. So here we have chosen age as, I guess, 16. Let age as 16, so it will print not adult. If we change this value as 61 or 62, now we will go to console and see we are getting senior. The things are different now. It was showing you can't vote earlier, but we have chosen age as 62 and it is obviously greater than 18, so you can vote, you can vote. And here in this thing, yeah, in this thing, if the age is less than 18, obviously 62 is much greater than 18. If else, if age is greater than 60, yeah, the age we have chosen is 62, which is obviously greater than 60, so we got output as senior. Here let result is equal to, if age is equal or greater than 18, then it will print adult, else it will print not adult. Obviously 62 is much bigger than 18, so it will print adult as output. And we are done with conditional statement, and we will meet in the next video. And thank you for watching this video.